Hello students, now we are going to discuss about soft skill decision making. It plays an important role in the life of students. Okay, and when a student makes his decision, it can save their careers by falling into the trap of despair, means failure. So at the right time, we have to take a right decision. So we have to gain the ability to distinguish between choice and needs. Choice and needs. We have to know the difference between the choice and needs, which plays an important role in life of students, and it promotes self determination, means on belief on yourself and how to make good decisions and choices. So here there are few strategies, means some important points to be followed while taking decisions. The first one is self determination, learning abilities, understanding strengths and weakness, helplessness, socialization skills. So first one, self determination, means having belief on yourself. So it is a combination of knowledge, belief, skills that enable students to become goal oriented, means it shows the behavior and it can be self regulated. Okay, by this we can value oneself by planning, acting, experiencing and learning from the outcomes. Okay, now learning abilities. Here abilities are experienced by students for which they have to acknowledge the available resources. See, when you are experienced, means when the students are experienced, we have to know the available resources for what you are doing, and they should try to disclose their weakness with the concerned members who may try to help the students. So, when we want to learn something, when we want to decide something, we have to discuss with the concerned members. Okay, if you have a weakness, means if you don't know what to decide at that time, you have to discuss with the concerned members who may help you. Okay, who may try to help you, we have to discuss with those type of people. Next, here understanding strengths and weakness. Here you know about your strengths and you know about your weakness, means you know your strengths and you know your positives and negatives. At that time the student is capable of understanding about his strengths and weakness. So at that time you should be make effective decisions and find an alternative method to obtain it. So by that we can make our decisions clearly, because and again we will not go into that again, that weakness. Okay, next, helplessness. Helplessness means with effects of failure, in which one can predict the past, future effects of failures. So when, if we are affected with a failure in our past, okay, we should not think about of it, and if you think, we will become helpless. So by that we may get lack of positive and we always will be in a negative thinking, and by that we cannot make effective decisions. Okay, and next, socialization skills means are usually decided or learned from the special education or through individual tutoring methods. These skills can be learned by tutorial methods, means individual, means 1 month each person's tutorial, means tuition type methods, and the majority fail in effective decision making skills. So majority of the students will not get forward to take this type of decision making skills. So this type of skills help in understanding and learning the skills of finding different alternatives. Okay, so these instructions enable the students to be learned and counseling of various programs. By this a student can make decisions clearly and make his life and make his life save, and he can make his life happy and save their careers. Okay, now next topic, value education, better late than never. So this is the proverb. Okay, this is the proverb, better late than never. Means what? It is better to do a thing belatedly than regretting for having failed to do it in time. Means what? See, suppose if you are not started any work at this time, after some time if you start also, no problem. And otherwise if you not start sometime also, it is very bad. So if it's getting late also, you can start the work. So many times in our life we may get the opportunity or we miss the opportunity. Okay, means chance. So at that times we should not worry about the lost opportunity. Okay, at that time we should not worry about the lost opportunity, and we have to try to continue doing the job. Means already if you are doing the job and we are lost the opportunity with a high salary, so we should not get sad, but instead we have to try to continue doing the old job only. So this proverb tells us that one should experience failure in doing something in times. So everyone will experience failure in their lifetime. Okay, so here, though it is late, when he acts, he can reap the success with all the vigor. Here, what is the meaning of vigor? Strength of body or mind. So here, when it becomes late also, we can achieve the success with all the strength of our body and mind, where time is not a barrier for a talented man. Here, barrier means what? Block. If you are a talented man, no one can stop us because we have a strength in our body and mind. And see here, everyone will think that youth is the appropriate time to achieve anything. Okay, so everyone will think like that, but it is not correct. Why? So here, so many people will study not depending on their ages. Okay, so it is foolish to think that one will have no capability to do something extraordinary in latter years. So we should not think that in old age we we have no capability, we can't do anything like that. We should not think like that. So here, life is ceaseless. Ceaseless means unending, and lots of opportunities would come in the way of life. So our life is unending, and we may get so many opportunities in our way of life. So many people take jobs early in life. So some people will get the job so early in their life. For such people, they will not get the promotions due to the uh, insufficient educational qualification. But nowadays there was open university and distance education, so many students and so many members joined there, and they are getting the required qualifications, and they are getting the promotions in their jobs. So here, the most important thing is that the person should be willing to learn, and the person should be willing to do certain thing. Means he wanted to have the desire to do that one. At that time, even time will not constrained to him. Means no time will not be constrained to him. Means willingness, if the willingness will be there, means టైం విల్ నాట్ కన్స్ట్రెయింట్ మీన్స్ రిస్ట్రిక్షన్, ఏ సమయము కూడా నిరోధించడానికి వీలు లేనటువంటిది. ఇఫ్ హీ వాస్ విల్లింగ్ టు లెర్న్ ఎనీథింగ్. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ బెటర్ లేట్ దాన్ నెవర్ వాల్యూ ఎడ్యుకేషన్. ఓకే.